You made it. Congratulations. You made it through the whole course. Hopefully you've went through the whole course. I encourage you to do every section because I think it's going to really teach you a lot about C# and .NET programming. It's essential because the language itself and the .NET framework can be a little bit of a daunting task if you don't approach it the right way, and I think we've approached it the right way because it's an optimized way to learn. You now have a good knowledge of .NET, C#, and both together. You know how to compile Visual Studio.NET, and you can work with a command line compiler. You can also create your console apps. We've also worked in third-party editors as well. You can create code libraries, private or shared assemblies. You understand object-oriented concepts and uses within the very object-oriented C#. You understand types, and you can work with many value and reference types. You specifically understand primitive types like your integers, your booleans, all the different numeric ways to work within the .NET universe. You know about .NET and the C# ways. You know about strings and classes and structs and enums and interfaces and data structures, events, delegates. You know quite a lot. You know quite a lot about assemblies and namespaces. You can create and work with Windows.Forms and web forms, ASP.NET, and web services, and you can do some pretty cool things in between. You can work with ADO.NET, XML, and file streams. And don't forget about referencing COM ActiveX controls like Flash and Windows Media. Pretty cool. We can even program graphics with the GDI Plus and a whole lot more. Now, wow, we've really done a lot, and I'm very happy to have been here with you. I think learning C#, like I said, can be a bit daunting if you don't learn it correctly. We've explored so many different ways to work in C# and the .NET framework. I think you can sit down right now and start programming and get into the details of the next steps you need to take in order to get really good at C# programming and .NET. You're ready, so let's get started.